your upline will give you incentive as well. If you sell 3 cents, they give you free ticket, free hotel. Just 3 cents. Can you talk to, you invite 10 people and talk to them. If 3 of them buy, close deal. Right? Simple. You know, in Myanmar, this Team Supreme, performing in Myanmar, because Myanmar is a war zone. You know, you cannot do seminar like this. If they are caught, they will be penalized heavily. Because in Myanmar, because that's why the Liwei office has to close. So this Supreme have to do 16 meetings a day. 16. Because you have to meet one by one. And when they meet people, they go to the jungle, they wear sarong. Yeah, they cannot wear like this. They have to hide. And they can achieve. No? They can achieve. That's why people they are so hungry, so motivated. I think like us, maybe all of us are in our comfort zone. I think we look enough. Enough is enough. But are you sure it's enough? You look around you, you know. So, Liwei is the place. You come to the right place. Okay? No doubt about it. So, potential, like I said, like what Alin has explained, the world market on health, on wellness, you know, it's such a huge market. And Manila alone is 20 million people. How far do you want to go? Want to look? No need to go too far. You don't need to fly to Mindanao. You don't need to fly to, you know, Iloilo, Bacolod. Just here alone, 20 million people is good. You just conquer Luzon. That's it. You know? Or Laguna area. Just enough. That's enough. 20 million people. You take only 0.1%. You are millionaire. That's all. You know, very simple. But first thing is you must learn, you know, the tools of the trade, you know, the business, so that you are well equipped. So there's a lot of potential in Liwei International because our CEO was a networker when he was 22, 23 years old. When he was still in university, somebody introduced him to networking. He was very skeptical as well, like all of us, like myself. You know, when first introduced, I don't believe in it. This is our first networking. First networking. People ask me when I was in New Zealand to join New Scheme, I joined, I just throw away the whole box. I don't even open. That was $1,006. I'm not interested. They asked me to join Liwei, I paid $350. I don't do. You know? I don't let people control my life. You know? Don't let people control my time. And I don't want to pay membership fee. But in Liwei, the time is yours. How much money you want to make is yours. What time you want to wake up and go to sleep is you. Right? Nobody will control you. If you want to succeed, like Jero, he hasn't slept. I told him what to say. 2:30, he messaged me in the morning. And then this morning I called him, are you in the park waiting for my pizza and all in Wendy's? You know, he didn't sleep. Just imagine. Because he can see successful people. He's got a dream, he's got a goal. Right? That's the difference. You must have a dream, must have a goal. Hello, come in. 1,000 fine for being there. We increase earlier it was 200 fine. Yeah. So, potential, what did I put this on? Too much joking. Let me see. Yeah, like myself, I surveyed the market before I joined Liwei as well. When somebody, Alan Kang, introduced to me in 2015. I did my survey as well, like what Dr. Lim Win Hong did, you know, survey the world market on health and wellness, you know, to see the potential. Like myself, I did survey. I went to see people who take to give, you know. I went and see the members how much money they are making, you know. Then I asked my accountant auditor to check on the company. So even he himself joined me. He bought 1 million as well, you know, to join this business. And then, like Dr. Lin said, well, if you want to open a restaurant, you open one restaurant. Maybe your income may be not enough. You know, this restaurant are only making 100,000 a month. I want to make more. So what do? You have to open another restaurant, right? In another place. And if you want to make more again, you have to open another restaurant. And your clientele in one restaurant, like, okay, Jollibee. You think people from Laguna will come all the way to Jollibee to eat? No, it's only around here. That's all your customer. That's all the customer that you have. You cannot have customer from, La Union to come here to eat in Jollibee. You see, very limited. Then one of Papa Alin's downline emigrated to Canada. Rex, this is a 2-star. Pastor Rex Renke and the wife, they went to Canada, and it was difficult for them as well to start because it's very expensive. So he couldn't get a job, The wife came back and worked in the call center. And he started to come back to do Freeway. Then I told him, you see myself, I'm a contractor in Brunei or New Zealand. Can I bring my construction here? No way. Right? I have to close it before I come to Philippines. But in Freeway, wherever you are, you can do Freeway. Because it's international. All you have to do is Zoom with us, right? We are always there in Zoom every Wednesday. You can join us in Zoom, and we are here every time, So Freeway is an international business. Filipinos have got friends, families all over the world, isn't it? Right? All in Canada, in Australia, New Zealand, US, they're all over. So your market is also there. But build Philippines. Build Philippines, be financially confident already, you have enough money, then you go. It's not cheap, even for me and her to go to Menana, General Santos, 70,000 a week. Why? Pay ticket, hotel, seminar, we have to pay. 70,000 a week. It's not easy, right? And you want to go to a place, please go for 1 month to train them 100%. If not, don't go. Train them and make them independent. And you come back. If you don't train them properly, they will call you, okay, can you come and help me? Puya, can you help me, please? I don't know to do OPP. So you have to fly to Mindanao. Fly to Mindanao is not cheap, is it? It's like flying to Singapore. It's sometimes more expensive. It's almost 2 hours plus just to go to Mindanao. It's not cheap because we've been there a few times. Cotabato, Mindanao, Butuan, Davao, Surigao. I know people go. Cotabato, the police said, don't come here, sir. You look like Japanese. So, the next topic, it's product. Okay, and our speaker, we test Bunia. Is it Bunia? Highway Bunia. Test. She's from Tagaytay. She's from Tagaytay, and she owns a salon, a beauty salon. She's a businesswoman, and she's been with us for how many years now? 4 years. 4 years. Yeah. She's on and off, but now she's really into Freeway, and getting the courage to speak on stage. Because speaking on stage, the more you do, the easier it gets. It's just like you go to church, our Father, the same thing, right? So let's listen to her with this topic of product. Welcome to our Krishna answer.
Every time you come here in the Philippines, you always take time to gather us to make this kind of event. For us to be more independent to do our living business. My topic for today is product, but I'm not here to talk and do the OPP. Did you know that we have beauty products and it's concessions? We have concessions for him and for her, the spray. many, there are many skincare products in the market, like serums, different kind of creams. They even claim has whitening effect, anti-aging effect, and they also said that they also have their own patented ingredients. But our consensus have 27 patented ingredients, and it has no single drops of water. So that's why it's effective. I remember when I attended class reunion last month. Syempre, I'm now 61, so most of us are senior. So ang tanungan pagka gano'n na, may maintenance ka na ba? What is your maintenance? Di po ba kasi mostly senior, yung iba nga, even at the age of 50, they have their own maintenance na. So nagugulat sila when I tell them that I don't have maintenance at all. So sabi nila, ano daw yung what is my secret? So I just report here and I use consensus. Kasi po, we need to use our product. How can we share our product if we're not using it, diba? So, and during our reunion, inuupuan ko sila yung mga classmates ko. And luckily, I convinced two of them. One of them will join me on October 5 at Singapore. And the other one naman, convinced ko siya na bumili ng one bottle. But I told him, why only one bottle? You must also share one to your wife. So I convinced him to buy 2 bottles. So they will start, kasi he told me na, ang dami na niyang maintenance med. Sabi ko, anong gusto mo? Handful, I asked him how many years he's taking his maintenance, and he told me he's taking it for more than a decade. So imagine you're taking your maintenance med for more than a decade and still umiinom ka pa rin ng maintenance. So now, buli na siya ng 2. So para silang mag-asawa is magta-try because her wife may problema na sa tuhod, hirap ng lumakad. Kasi 61, 62 na, so gano'n. Di po ba, pagka, when we age, ang unang naging problema sa atin is tuhod. Di po ba? So hopefully, they will get better, so they will buy the set. Our product launched last 2008, but since in 2008 we only have 6 ingredients. But now, after 17 years, our product had we have now 14 powerful ingredients. Imagine, since 2008 and now we will celebrate 18 years coming January at Bangkok. The company keep on adding powerful ingredients, but without adding the price. So imagine they keep on adding the ingredients without adding the price. So ganun, because ang concern ng company is mapaganda pa yung product natin to make it more effective para po sa mga consumer. Next slide. When you buy one bottle, it costs 26,500. It's you can have a silver account. Kasi hindi naman po lahat can buy diamond account, diba? You can start with one bottle, silver account. Or if you have more, you can buy 2 bottles, 53,000. But I always said to my client that it's better if you buy the diamond package, because if you times 26,500 into 7, it's 185,500. So if we buy the diamond set, we can makakatipid tayo ng 15,500. Di po ba? And we have 3 units pag po diamond na yung ating account. So if we will, kung gusto po natin gawin ang business, doon na tayo sa kaya natin i-maximize yung ating kikitain. Sabi nga nila, I heard it from one of the seminars that I attended, babasahin mo na rin, ilulubog mo na rin lang ang paa mo sa tubig. Babasahin mo na rin lang ang tubig, ilubog mo na. It means, gagawin mo na rin lang ang business, doon ka na sa maximize yung kitaan. Di ba? Product criteria, high price. Bakit po product natin is high price? Because even from the beginning, our CEO set a standard na kailangan po high price and consumable. Kasi po, bago ako, hindi ko pala na-introduce before I do Ribe, I work in a hotel. And while working in the hotel, I also do different direct selling business. And in my direct selling business, syempre po, hindi naman siya, magkano lang yung price niya. So, kahit makabenta ako ng 10 lipstick or 10 na pabango, how much pa lang din ang kikitain ko doon. But here in Ribe, isang diamond account ang mabenta natin, how much na agad ang kikitain natin. And our product is consumable. Pag po na-i-explain natin ng mabuti sa ating client, na-try nila, at ang ating product po naman talaga is very, very effective. Like one of my client, ngayon, leader ko na, when she start taking courtier, she's only 72 years old. She's my client in my previous business. So, lagi ko nang kinukwento sa kanya ang rebate. So, hindi ko naman yun pala, natatandaan niya yung mga kinukwento ko sa kanya. Kasi, hindi po natin, ang rebate kasi, hindi isang buwan lang natin bibili na si client, pwede hindi pa siya ready. So, sabi niya, Tess, sige nga, punta ka na dito sa bahay, explain mo sa akin yung rebate. Kasi, she had 12 maintenance med, 11 or 12 maintenance med. So, Atites, bakit ang dami mong maintenance med? Meron daw po siya, she's 72 years old, meron para yung ugat niya sa heart, mataas yung kanyang uric acid, cholesterol, sugar, high blood. So lahat-lahat mataas. And the worst is, meron siyang bato sa abdo, Tagaytay Medical Center advisor to have an operation ASAP. But since it's pandemic time, it's in 2021, ayaw niya. Tess, matanda na ako, and may pandemic pa ngayon, baka mahawa pa ako ng COVID, yung sabi na po na, di po ba ganun during pandemic? No? Hindi na natin nakikita yung mga mahal natin sa buhay na, automatic, hindi-cremate na kagad nila. So sabi niya, okay, Tess, sige, punta ka dito sa bahay, explain it to me, aanhin ko naman yung pera ko, tititigan ko lang, and then ako may sakit. Di ba ganun eh? Aanhin po natin ang pera natin. Diba? Kung tayo naman yung may sakit. So ngayon po, after taking courtier, yung from 12 maintenance med, she now have only 1 maintenance med. And no need for operation na po yung kanyang bato sa abdo. Kasi po, lumiit na. Kaya po ang ating product. Able to leverage, we can share it sa ating mga client. Hindi po ito yung in my previous business kasi one account lang ang pwede. But here in Rebate, we can have as many account as kung gano'n ka, every time na bibili tayo, ako po kasi, I have already 19 accounts. Kabibili. So, what's the quantity of P7? So, how will you determine what's the ingredients? Ang ating pong product have 14 powerful ingredients and we have 5 patented ingredients. Ang number 1 po is the Verbicenta. And then we have the Yeah, the first one is Cerviceta from the female deer, and then the Velvicenta from the male deer. We also have the Angel Sen, which is anti-aging, and it's 150 times better than other ginseng in the market. We also have the Axertol for antioxidant, and the Nucleic Laben anti-inflammatory. Nucleic Laben alone can kill cancer cell. I'm done. Okay, also, thank you for Susana Comey.
Thank you very much for Susana. Yes, thank you so much. Well, everybody's in the learning stage, don't worry. We all have to go through that. It's just like playing golf. We always say we cannot hit, but we always tell the learners that we were there before. We were learning how to hit as well. We were not good as well. So everybody has to go through the learning stage. Like I say, you have to be perfect in all these topics so that you can do your business confidently. You see, so. Nothing is easy in life. When you are born, you still have to learn how to crawl, how to walk. So there was a great sharing from education from our 2-star test. Let's give her another big hand. And let me see. Yeah, like she was saying about, we started with Putier 1, and we upgrade to Putier 2, Putier 3, Putier until now today is Putier 7, and maybe by next year in Gala Dinner we might have Putier 8. We're not sure. Because the CEO Lee Poon-hong said in next month, Leaders Recognition Night, after the event, people will walk out, they will buy 2 sets. I guarantee it's it. So must be something interesting coming up. Is going to announce the recognition night. So in that 18 years, prices never go up. Right? We maintain the price. The price goes up because of forex. Peso go down, US dollars go up, because of the exchange rate. That's why prices go up. But Riway has never increased the price. They always maintain the price, even though they put in additional ingredient in there. Just imagine one capsule, how many apples? How many apples are there in one capsule? 100 apples in one capsule. You go to Hypermart and buy 100 apples, how much? Maybe 1 kilo, maybe about 500, 600. How much is one capsule? One capsule. Yeah, one capsule is 450, and there's 100 apple inside there. If you go and buy 100 apple in Hypermart, you're making SM rich only. So you better buy Putier, cheaper. So, of course, Putier is expensive.